How to reset the Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Deletes. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Sign in to your account. Head towards the upload icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Now you will reach on this memory space where you have to select My Eyes Only tab at top right corner of the screen. Now choose Options at bottom right corner of the screen. And if you reset your My Eyes Only password from here, then you need to lose all your data. So the trick and alternative way in order to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything is simply head back towards Snapchat homepage. Now tap Profile at top left corner of the screen. Select Gear icon at top right corner. Now scroll down and choose Help Center option. Once you reach on this page, scroll down and tap on Contact Us button. Choose the option of I need help with the Snapchat feature. Scroll down. Now tap Memories option and tap on Yes button. Tap on Using My Eyes Only. Now you'll be required to enter your username, email ID and describe your issues that you want to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. And tap submit button. After few hours, Snapchat will bring you certain solution to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.